Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Printify to Amazon in 2023. Of course, integrating your Printify with Amazon store can expand your products offering and enhance your e-commerce business. So this guide will walk you through the steps to seamlessly connect Printify with your Amazon seller account, allowing you to sell custom print-on-demand products to a wider audience. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and set up Amazon seller account. Ensure that you have a fully set up and operational Amazon seller account. This will include providing all the necessary business information and completing the registration process. And make sure to sign up for accounts on both Printify and Amazon. If you don't, or to do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. For me, in this case, I'm going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, you can go to this URL section, as you can see. Write it again. So, Printify. Okay, that's completely wrong. So, Printify, yeah, slide should be like that. .com and hit the enter button, and that should, that takes us right away to the home screen or main screen of Printify website. So if you have an account, make sure to simply go and log in into your account. You'll find it at the top right corner to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and log in into your store or simply create your store by at the top right corner. For me, I already logged in into my account. I already have an account, so I don't have to do all that. Of course, you'll be able to do so with Google accounts and other options if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. Of course, if you are interested to see the price, and of course, you can simply, I'm going to click here and you can see everything by yourself. So this is for yearly and monthly. And of course, you can pause the video and check all that by your own. So for me, I'm just going to click on my store and that will take me to the dashboard right away. Or, okay, I'll have to log in into my account again. So it's not going to be a big deal. I'll simply log in into it and here we are. So this is going to be the dashboard, of course, and you can simply add many products as you want, because if you didn't have any products here, you have nothing to add to your Amazon store. So make sure to add products as many as you can. Of course, you can simply go and click on browse products here, go to the t-shirts, as an example, add your design, and you'll simply have it once you add your design and select and save everything, you'll have it as your products here. So you'll be able to transfer those products to your Amazon store. As an example now, what you'll have to do, simply go and open a new tab and go to Amazon seller and hit the enter button. As you can see, Amazon.com or Amazon Seller Center. So make sure now to log in into your account again if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, go and sign up into a new account. So depending on whatever suits you, you'll have to log in into your account. So for me here, I'm just going to click on this keep me sign in, and here I'll try to log in into my account if the password is, if I still remember the password, yeah. So here we are. What we'll have to do, as you can see, welcome here, what to expect. You'll simply have to provide your information and documents. We'll verify your submission and you'll get verified and you'll be able to start selling. And you'll need, of course, to have a valid government issued ID or passport. Of course, you can read that if you want. So recent bank account or credit card statement, as you can see, and changeable credit card or chargeable, and a mobile phone. So if you click on get started, of course, they will go you through all the steps, like providing your personal information, gets verified, and etc. As you can see, so you'll have to select that and etc. Once you finish, of course, you will have your store. As an example, let me just show you some steps. I'm not going through all those steps because this will take not forever, but this will take some time. An example, non-individual. Here, first I'm just going to like do some random step things. As an example, yeah, I'm just going to do so. And click on agree and continue. And of course, make sure to enter everything accurate. I'm just like entering some random stuff for you. Make sure to have everything accurate so you'll be verified and accepted. If you didn't, you will be denied and you'll not be able to do so. So as you can see from here, you'll be able to, or you'll have to finish your seller information. As you can see, all of those information, then the billing information, your store informations, and the verification. You will have to simply read the privacy policy and of course other stuff and agree to it. Agree to the policies and agreements, and simply you'll be good to go. So once you do so, as I said before, make sure to add your products on Printify. So in your Printify account, create and design some custom products you want to sell on Amazon, and you can choose even the product types and designs and variants that aligns with your brand. depending on whatever brand you have. After that, we will have to go to the step of integrating Printify with Amazon. So using Printify integration tools, you can connect Printify accounts with your Amazon seller account. You can follow the prompt to authorize the integration and grant permissions. To do so, of course, you'll have to go to store settings, as you can see here, and simply click on Printify Connect. As you can see here, available with Printify Premium. So you'll not be able to connect your Amazon seller store to your Printify unless you have the Printify Premium. So if you're just creating an account with the free plan, you'll not be able to do so. You'll have to get access to Printify Connect and much more as Printify Premium member. So you can learn more about this. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll have to pay like kind of $30 per month, but if you pay per yearly, just for 25. Of course, other features like it's gonna be 10 stores, 10 stores per account, unlimited product designs, up to 20% discount on all products, and order management on Printify Connects. If you do so, of course, you can simply go back here to the store settings, go to Printify Connect, look for Amazon, and simply follow the prompt to connect it. Once you do so, of course, you'll be able to import products to Amazon. Once integrated, you can select the Printify products you want to list on Amazon, import them into your Amazon seller account, and then you'll be able to even set up some listings within Amazon, even Seller Central. You can create new product listings using imported Printify products. You can add product details, description, images, and set even pricing. You can sync inventory and orders. As customer place orders on Amazon, the orders will be automatically sent to Printify for fulfillment. Printify will produce and ship, of course, the products directly to customers, and you can, of course, monitor all your sales and performance. You can be able, or you should actually regularly monitor your Amazon sales and products performance, and make sure to even pay attention to customer reviews, rating, and feedbacks. Of course, make sure to even manage the returns and customer service, handle customer inquiries and return through your Amazon seller accounts, and coordinate with Printify for any order related issues. And finally, you'll have to keep track of any updates or changes in both Printify and Amazon and make sure to ensure that your listing products are up to date and aligned with your branding. So that's going to be it for this video. If you reached this point of this video, congratulations. Integrating Printify with your Amazon store in 2023 opens an exciting possibilities to offer custom print on demand products to a broader customer base. Of course, this integration streamlines the process of creating a listing and fulfillment unique items while removing the complexities of products and shipments. And shipping, of course. So that's gonna be it. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Of course, thanks for watching and good luck with your selling. So I'll see you in the next video.